Me see like we talk about history, so people bear with us. I think tonight we're gonna go just a bit overboard because we have a bit of talking to do. We have a bit of key thing to address.
Information to address.
And we are making talk history, you know, because like it's an important part of this because a lot of people when them see you, them take you lightly, like you know what I mean? Them not put some respect for your name because you've been doing this for 32 years.
Yeah, man.
That's from before I was born.
Yeah.
So you was one of the founder of the
brother,
selection
all right, listen. Everything where you see I go on right now, and we started. I just through enough people now want to talk the truth. And favoritism. You see me I say? Cause watch this. When me, alright, big up to every selector where you see I go on, you know.
Yeah.
Cause we have to big up Youngster Kid, Aquarius, Lord Gellies, all of them man there. Vinyl Star. You know about Vinyl Star?
No,
yeah,
I don't.
know Vinyl Star.
Alright, that's a sound Lizard World Boss used to play.
Yeah.
When me come to England, alright, Andrew Fresh, them man they come, you know, move it to a level.
Yeah.
You understand? Then, no, alright. I'm going to go back. I'm rewind a little bit. Maybe a little bit more far down. You used to have Chris Goldfinger.
Yeah, me about
BBC.
Me about Chris Goldfinger.
Them man are the first man come play 2/3 table in England. First man.
Because everybody used
juggling.
to play one.
Juggling that Chris Goldfinger started. You understand?
And thing and
Yeah. Then you have Rubber Ranks them. Music Street. You understand? You have King Tubby's them. You have them look sound there, do them thing. Lord Gellies now step up.
Yeah.
You understand? Add something. Movie star Johnny them.
So King Tubby's them, Father Cecil, all of them, like,
Yeah.
they was one of the pioneers in the sound system.
Yeah. No, Father Gelly them, I mean, Tubby's them,
Cecil
them
yeah.
a legend.
Yeah, them a legend because...
No, King Tubby's them and them sound there,
Yeah.
we have to give it up to them. Because when I play Red Hat sound them, a King Tubby's them. You understand? And we are King Tubby's them, a whole of Brixton, Acre Lane, Summer Lane, you understand? Whole Brixton. Because Brixton belongs to King Tubby's originally, you know?
Yeah. And
I saw him Sovereign.
I still think King Tubby's have a big part to play, same way in Brixton.
No, that's right. No, if you notice certain events in the year, them have to book King Tubby's.
Yeah, like...
Because it's a sound where Father Cecil in playing part.
Yeah, like...
So you respect you. You just
Yeah,
have
man.
to
Father Cecil, big up, man.
Big up Father Cecil, you know, like even the big fund there we keep a Crystal Palace, I think...
Me say every big event where them keep, them have to put Tubby's, Saxon, and certain man where set the thing.
Rolling past the little 90s, early 2000 hero. There's an elephant in the room right now. I just want to quickly address it. You think you get the respect where you're due for the work that you put in over the years in terms of right now in England?
Well, alright, let me tell you. It's England now. Let's put this, because I never want to hurt nobody.
I
never want to hurt nobody. But here what though? Remember when Bob Marley dead them crown the man, you know? Remember when Bob Marley dead them crown Bob, you know? But you see me now, let me tell you now. Me not gonna say the people that respect me.
But some people that say you're hype and show
I don't say people don't respect you, but do you think they give you the respect?
No, like me say, Crystal Blue son have a big fan base, you know.
I know you have a big fan base.
We have a big fan base from day one. We have a big fan base. People from this name come about, people fall in love with it. From the name Crystal Blue come about, people fall in love with it. So me get respect. But you still have some people out there who don't want to size you up.
Yeah.
When you put some man work and your work together, it no match up.
Basically,
it no add up. Cause watch this now.
If you put two resumes beside, like, it can't be compared because, like, as far as you go through certain accolades over the years, you have it's a lot of work you put into dancehall. And
no, but why may I tell you about the coming up, you know, like from the Tubbies come up, you know, to the Music Street, Johnny them man they come up, the Lord Gellies them, Aquarius them, King Glamour them, then Lizard come turn the thing. Cause Lizard was a selector from there Jamaica before me even come to England. People just tell about them, may I hear what this Lizard. You understand? Cause him touch them show and him change up the thing. When I say change it up, if them man they come toast mic and You see me I say? Because before them, I was reaching out to all the crew.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But Lizard come and change.
Basically.
You understand me? I say Lizard come and change a little pattern there.
Yeah.
And then now me come in now.
Hold on. Was that Lizards or was that Sky Juice? I think Sky Juice was a pioneer.
No, but that.
No, we're talking about UK.
Okay.
Yeah, you can.
The UK. Because them days they used to have a club. I come play about 2 to 3 dance in a club legs. You understand? So them days they used to have the club legs. So them days when you look on the club legs flyers, you just see a Vinyl Star, a Lord Gellies, a Asha World, a Aquarius, and I like now. You understand what I say? You just see the line up there.
Yeah.
You see me I say? But like me say, Lizard come and do him thing. You understand? Then now me come drop on the scene now. And change the ball game again. You understand? Turn it up to a next level. You get what me I say? So you have the selector them play them part come right up. You understand? That's how this big dancehall thing just keep evolving.
Okay.
Because everybody just come in and put add for them part. I would just, you understand? Because dancehall is very big in the UK now.
It is very big.
It's very big over here. Trust me. It's only, well, I'm gonna cut you. It's only because sometimes the little misbehavior, and you understand. But one time gone Alpan during the week, you have all 500 people in the club blood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
True, that's
Okay.
it.
500 strong.
And there's a lot of midweek events going good right now.
Yeah, right now. But them days, me I tell you, because them days we never have social media. Them days, a man just get a phone call and say, yo, something that doll standing up. Something that doll stand and be a call start make. And everybody find it.
Find it.
You understand? Because them days, there were more Jamaican in England. And I like now, you see the thing kind of, you understand?
Yeah.
But we had more people in the street at them days. You understand?
The streets was a bit safer there.
Yeah, man. But like me say, we come and we add our thing to it. You understand? Me and Phantom. You understand? And then now, eventually now, one night now, me I play upon Wow. Me used to play upon a station named Wow FM.
Me hear about.
You understand? And then now,
it's still on as well. I think.
yeah, man. No, it's still on now.
Yeah.
We still are. You know, I'm
Yeah.
a part of it same way.
Yeah.
Cause them at them station they bill me.
Yeah.
You understand? So I can't leave out where bill me.
Of
We
course.
still have to tag along with it, but them days you know me used to do an early show, and then like at night time we come from dance now, would have listen back with radio station and go home.
Yeah.
You understand? So DJ Max now, or him get joined into the sound now. Going home one night now, he used to roll with a brother named Must Boss. So Must Boss used to bring him as a young youth. Every time they makes about 15, 16 year old.
Yeah.
And going home now and listening to the radio, me hear him in there mixing Must Boss. I mean, I say, look at youth, yeah. Him remind me of you too, you know.
Yeah.
And going home, I say, look at youth, I can't do a thing, you know.
What's
yeah,
it?
man. Yeah, man. I just, Lincoln and Brandon, we met the Lincoln. DJ Mix come there and, come amongst you as a local 16-year-old shooter. Them days, I tell Mix, when you come and dance, if security stop you, don't tell him your age. Come here, get a problem.
All right.
No, them days, and then now the little shooter come up now, everybody starts to Squidley, your little son, you understand me? I say, him bad. You understand? And then now me and Mix us take on the road and from there, so everything just start go mad.
All right, people.
Time
If you're just
against us.
joining us, you know, time is.
Time tonight, we talk, man. People are not going nowhere, man.
It time go a little bit, so.
Right now,
let's
anniversary,
adjust.
I celebrate you know.
Let's adjust some key issue.
Yeah.
See?
Yes. Yes.
You know, Squidley is from Crystal Blue. Why people say hype and bossy?
Yes.
Because here you know, when you're a person who don't run into people, and you're not friendly, and you know walk and tell people your business, and you hold your own. You understand what I say?
Yeah,
and you're good at what you do.
So maybe you feel like I hate people.
So
I hate
you are very confident.
They're not, brother. I tell you, sir, from 1987, me I play music in a brother.
32 years and I've
I'm
been
enough
there.
confident. What can scare me? The bigger the crowd, the more my blood get hot.
All right. To be honest, like, how would you say the UK dancehall space is right now? Is it hostile or is it friendly for us DJ as co-workers?
All right, listen. Sometimes it's just the ego, brother. It's ego. And all of us as DJ, we have a big ego.
Yeah.
You understand? It come with the business. Music come with ego. You understand? But I wouldn't say, you understand, like, a man, you see me, I say, it's just ego, brother. Because sometimes a man just feel like, say, you understand? He mean in a moment, say, you can't tell him nothing. Whereas he might get 2 local bookings, he feel like he might done. So sometimes you just leave it. Just leave a man, make him do him thing.
Well, I know.
You see me?
How we gonna bridge this gap between the changeover from basically the past to the future? And as well, they will say you guys are one of the past, one of the founded father for the set the bar for over here. But to be frank, you guys ain't getting no younger. We have to pick up the baton where you guys leave it in terms of the future.
Well, listen to me.
Or is that changeover going? Because some of the time, me for one, I feel like say they selected them were in the business from long time. Respect to them, but enough of the time they don't show the respect back to the young guns them were coming in the business.
Yeah, no. Me personally, I have no problem with no youth where I play sound. Cause right now, if I was in Jamaica right now, I'm recruiting right now. Me dying to see a youth who can take the mic and him and Mex can go play and me stay in my yard. At times, some dance miss me right now. More hand down the button. You understand? Cause brother, you have to work for your exit, you know. And that's what me I do right now in music, you know. I have a 7-year-old son right now. He's deeply in music, you know. He my big bands. The man mad pan the drum, you know. You understand? Right now, I'm a biggest son. He my 13 this year. Well, 13 this year. You understand? So me I kind of groom him. You understand? Because me can't hang on to this much longer. You understand? You understand? When you're a legend, you know. You just need to go in a legend corner and stay there and make way for the newcomers. Them. Remember the first night me see you know? Yeah. What me say to you?
Say my brother me have talent and really.
I me say you remind me of when me just a play son, right? Yeah. Me no fight champion. Me race champion, but here my problem enough for the local young youth them boy you know.
Yeah.
Them now show respect to we defend this. Because before you even come to this country, you know, England dancehall was a place where people get hurt terribly, you know.
Yeah.
Terribly, you know. You know dance and some mad thing go on, you know. And then next week nobody say, yo, me now come back on a dance, me done with dance. Yeah. And we the little selector them left in that dance. Sometimes nobody not in there for 2-3 weeks. And we fight with it till we go out there and reassure people, say, yo, dance good man. Come back till the crowd take time and build up back. So how can you not rate somebody when they are preserve it for you now? Yeah. So you can have a part. Me not have no problem with no youth. All me need for so me not want a man bow down and tie my shoes lace. And me not want a man kiss my shoes.
Squidley.
You understand? But all me need for do, just show me a bit of respect. You understand? Right. When you play amongst a Crystal Blue, just know so brother, you see the man here, and them man make me can come have a cut of it too.
Squidley.
You understand?
That's why we try to have some of these sessions, because some of these young youths nowadays, they did not take the time out to study the culture, know the history, because they are very young, as what you say. You're playing music for 32 years now.
Yeah.
A lot of these selectors are below that age group, so they don't know it. So now we are taking the time out to document some of these things, put it on the YouTube. As you guys go subscribe to the UpnLive page, put it there so everybody can look and see what you guys done for dancehall.
Of course.
And me nah short change. No.
I'm going to give you the next little issue, you know.
Yeah.
Squidley.
Vibes Cartel.
Alright, go on.
Vibes Cartel.
Yeah.
Vibes Cartel. I was one of the first to keep a Vibes Cartel send-off party.
Here in the UK.
Me have right now, you see the sound of name Red Hat?
Yeah.
You have dub plate with me and Vibes Cartel in combination.
So you is a DJ too?
Then them days in me and Cartel, they are Brixton, brother.
Alright.
Cartel used to live at Brixton, you know. Summer late in road, you know. Vibes Cartel and Bounty Killer come up on tour, and Cartel stay back for about 6 months. And Vibes Cartel was living in Summer Late Road. And every day, them time that I live in a place named Signam. So I used to have to ride 2 bus. As I wake up, Cartel ring me, yo, what are your company black? I used to have to take the bus and come down and sit down up a top secret studio. Them time I tell every man, if the youth named Melon right now, we want Red Hat, can come here, so come tell you, up to 1 day night, me and them sit down, and we are talk about it. And I tell them, say, brother, you make me lose my Vibes Cartel link proper. Because the reason why I lose my link, general, I told them days, me I wait for my documentation, and I couldn't move. But when Vibes Cartel leave England, you understand, me know the brother was destined for big things.
Yeah.
And I was the one who was telling the man everyone Red Hat, say, yo, Vice, Mr. Walker tell me, say, yo, Vice man, brother. The man a go boss. The man a go boss, a bad artist. The last time Vice Cartel come to England, you know, a 4-dub plate him give me free, you know. Free, you know. Free Cartel give me dub them, you know. Me not pay $1 for Vice Cartel, you know. Come and say me are one of the major players. When Vice Cartel left, a thanks Vice Cartel tell me, you know.
Yeah.
The man said thanks, the man said Squidley, me I go back to Jamaica about 22 grand, you know. Big chain pan him neck and base up me, you know. The picture on my Instagram can show you, man. If you go to my Instagram right now, you see the picture with me and Vice Cartel in Acre Lane 2002.
Squidley, me not cut you, but what's the relationship with, in terms of some of the big guns them say you have what? 6 big guns in London. Is it everything good, or somehow not deal, or somehow not beef, or what?
No, we see a little thing with you one World Power, Ian. Is it Ian? We see you kind of iron it out, but what really go on?
Listen. Me and Ian now. You see, Ian come from 13, me come from 11.
Yeah.
When Ian play Lover's Choice, me I play my brother sound, Angel. Because them time they are 2 bad sound that they couldn't clash.
Yeah.
And that clash they go on, people are going. So, it's a case like, me daddy dance the other day, and you understand what I say?
Yeah.
Me I play my time. You get what I say?
Yeah.
But the time wasn't finished. Me and Gangsta Kid was the first 2 selector reach in the dance. When I reached at the dance, the promoter was just putting out table.
Okay.
So the
reached well early.
Yeah, so me did it from early.
Yeah.
You get what I say? When I reach a dance now, the time thing, it cost a little, it was over a time thing.
So you play too much over your time, right?
No, I never reached. I had like 7 minutes left in my time.
Okay.
But they wanted to cut my time. Okay. And I tell them, say, no, I'm not cutting my time because I didn't reach a dance late. I reach on time. So how comes my time for cut now for man with just a walk in? That's unfair to me. Okay. And from this, you know, I look at eruption, kick off, and I look at, you know, crowd, people jump in, and you understand what I mean?
And then blow it out because you see the video and it never really as big as all people make a big.
No, because a lot of them are talk a bag of crap. Because like me tell you, say, England is a place, you know, brother. You say if you're not strong, you can't live, boy, yeah. If you're not strong in England, if you're strong-minded, you can't do music in England.
So,
you understand?
What's the relationship between you and Ian now? Is everything good?
Yeah, man, because like I say, England, Ian is from 13 and from 11.
As well, I say, you have set good example in terms of that aspect. Like something happen and you guys iron out your problem and fix it.
Yeah, definitely.
As well, I say, you guys not getting any younger. You have to set your legacy right, because if you don't do it good now, you know, you're not on a legacy if it dead. You know, as what you said before earlier on, you don't get a crown until they're dead.
Let me tell you, say, them things I do happen in a dance. Mataran and Babyface fight. Me say LP them fight. Selector do them thing at times.
Yeah, because
but what happened, we didn't blow it out of proportion.
Yeah.
Cause I go home and I look into myself. A couple of my fans them call me and say, Squidley, you know, say, when them want you to come off and say, just dash down the mic and come out. And that you should have done, you know. And when I look into myself, I say, you know what? That's exactly what I should have done. So I kind of take, I wasn't the fault, you know, but I take some of the blame on myself. Because if I was thinking like what the fans them say, it would even get to that. So a couple of the haters them where you see, I send out video, because that video where you see go viral, it was a hater video. But in the same week, Vice Cartel, the same picture I'm telling you with me and Vice Cartel, 2002, Vice Cartel reposted the picture the same week.
Okay.
And all of the Gaza platform. So in that week, I went viral 2 times. So when them try to come with negative vibes, Vice Cartel rise me.
Yeah.
Because even the other day I was in New York, people was asking me about that picture.
Yeah.
People was asking me about that picture the other day I was in New York. You understand?
As I say, legendary.
Yeah, man, what they are, man?
Legendary. Crystal Blue.
But
before we go, we talk about this blue and white anniversary. It's going to be taking place when? The 12th of October?
Yeah, well, the 12th of October now, we're celebrating 16 long years. 16 hard-working years. 16 keeping the game up years. Never drop standard, never lose it, never water down. You understand what I say? I not say sometimes when I go dance and it's not my night. Because as a selector, sometimes you go dance, it's not your night.
Yeah.
It's a Lord Gelly night.
Yeah.
It's a World Boss night.
Yeah.
It's a World Power night. You understand?
Yeah.
But me maintain a certain standard and a certain juggling level. So, you understand, it keep me in the game. From them time till now, 16 years. So this anniversary now is a mad thing. That's why we even draw for the legendary Ori. Cause a while ago, me hear Rory. Me hear say something about Ori. Let me tell you something. Ori his town love.
Yeah, I know that.
If you notice, he can still go and he's just leave. I speak to him today now. He's just coming from Japan, you know. He done about 8 to 9 dancing in Japan.
Because like he
just done Japan the other day.
For people who don't know, like me kinda sorry, just give me an extra minute. For people who don't know, I kind of do a bit of research for Rory and anything. Remember back in the days with sound and sound owner and top selector, you'd have top selector go to them way for cut dub for the sound system. So basically, he invests so much in that sound and so much time and his money. So basically, if you are father,
he can't start over back
in. He can't start over.
No, Rory is Stone Love. He have the right to play any one of the dub them. He can use the brand. Yeah. You understand? If you notice father power and him, them good, them do them thing.
Yeah, of course.
You understand? But the 12th of October now, I could talk about that before we wrap up.
Yes, it's going to be blue and white. And
it's the blue and white affair. The 16th year anniversary of Crystal Blue. We have Rory Stone Love. And you understand? It's just going to be a crazy one. The other day we carry foot to hype. The venue was too small.
No, watch here now. Me try come at the party there for cover some of my footage.
No, people couldn't get in. Why? No. I get some message in my DM the next day. This and that. So you said this one now.
Yeah.
We have to go to a big arena, which we confirm a big arena already.
Yes.
You understand? And we're going to a big arena. Big sound, big arena, so big Stone Love, big Crystal Blue. Whole heap of my UK friend them. Yeah. You understand? Tables, everything sort out. So the anniversary are just crazy. So to all the people where attend Blue and White, please get your tickets from early and attend the party early.
No, it's not a boots up, it's not a bribe up. We was at the last anniversary to cover some of the show to try to get a couple interview.
The footer hype.
Yeah, we couldn't even get in.
We could not get in.
No, the footer hype, the two madman. But
trust me.
Let me say,
it was people on top of people on the stairs trying to get in the club. And the club there was people on top of people.
No, about that cussing me get. No, about that cussing me get after that event there. But guess what? This one now, this one is like a makeup. So you see all you know.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed, everything. You're last in that venue, you know.
Boy,
I can't find you know. So you know what? I that's the thing there right
because
now.
Like, yo, we get a bit of extra time to continue the program.
Yeah.
Cause you know it's still some beef.
No. This thing where you see I go on right now, people need to know it and people need to hear my story.
Yes.
So right now, more my story be heard.
Yeah, that's document your story because
that's how we give you extra time.
No. Right now, more the people them know because
of course.
Like me tell you, say there's a lot of work I put in the business. You understand? If you got King Jammy's right now, Waterhouse, a Boss Music Tech, got Waterhouse, King Jammy's Studio, got Vice, me dub plate them. You understand me? I say, Harry Toddler, where you see, Boss before Bounty Killer, you know. Harry Toddler used to have a song where say, Boss up the gun, come in, have it for hide. Whole SMG, the camel back.
What year was that?
Man, we were here, the
Bounty Killer was what, 1992, right?
Yeah. And so Harry Toddler boss about 90.
90.
Then time they used to have the Harry Toddler, Okra Slime. Him dead now.
Yeah, me hear about Okra Slime. Yeah.
Okra Slime. The whole of them youth they used to have Okra Slime. Couple of them look at you when every time you got the studio, the man they like them are 9. You know someone you don't want to see. And as a girl man say, yo, me have the big song, you know. You hear some song, King Ray Waddy, and he might try to force himself for you.
Yeah.
You understand? Sabertooth and them look at you there. Sabertooth and them look at you there. You see, no, that like, enough time I just look at me laughing. You know. Come and see someone that get something easy road in the music, you know, brother. A Boss Music Tech got Arrow Studio, you know. Sapphire, you know. Record Factory, the Agley Park Road, you know. Music Tech 70 bus go up there, so I cut me dub them, you know, brother. Jaro Studio upon Whitehall, you know. If you name it, me can get the whole history, you know, brother. King before Tubby's dead, you know. My brother is a carry, got Tubby's got cut dub plate, you know. Used to have a singer named Dan Angelo and them youth there, you know. the King Everall. You know that singer there? You ever heard about King Everall?
Yeah, I've done play with King Everall from me also.
CBDB2 papa doobie day.
And Dan Angelo.
Alright, Dan Angelo, the whole of them is Shabba ranking. And my brother about Shabba brother. Nigga like Pum Pum play by Angel in a Kingston 11.
Rasta is Pum Pum, it's just a tropical
You see
fruit.
Dirty Bungalow Mackerel sing?
Yeah.
And we first cut that as we clash that sound name. Yes, alright, back in the cat, brother. Let me go back, look a bit. You see a sound here, Angel and Sheriff. My brother sound here, Angel, let me live like two side and side. We play upon a Wednesday, Sheriff play upon a Thursday.
Yeah.
And you see Wednesday black, Thursday black. You get me? I say so. At them days we are strike from General. So you see me? At them days, from them days, we are doing thing until now, brother. A whole heap of work putting at the thing. Enough man where you see a Ray and Tay. Them not put in the work. But you see music is a very unfair thing. I say if you don't love music, so that's why enough man where you see a work and I do certain thing right now. There was a DJ back in the days, but true music deal with them unfairly.
And
them just chew in the towel and say, yo, me can't bother with this.
So,
but,
as I hit that point, how you see the future for dancehall music in terms of like DJ who's in the UK? Is there a bright future or it look a bit bleaky in terms of that?
Alright, listen. The future is always bright. What the DJs them have to do now, bring something to the table. You have to come to the table with something. Like me say, Chris Goldfinger come and bring something to the table. Lord Gillis come, then bring something to the table. Movie star Johnny them come, then bring rubber ranks. All of them man they bring something to the table. Me come and bring something to the table.
So in this era,
yeah,
which DJ in London right now, just break it down a bit.
Yeah.
Where you say as a young sound, as some young DJs coming up, where you say is striving for greatness.
Like even you yourself.
No,
like even you yourself.
Me myself, boy, you must.
No, well, I'm gonna name a few. Come in a bias.
Yeah, you have to give respect.
You understand? Because you have a little son named Lion Squad.
Yeah, big up Lion Squad.
You have a little youth named DJ Dio from Black Knight.
No, dear man.
Yeah.
You understand me? I say, what again I must say? You have a couple more of them, boy. You understand? But like me say, them ego I hold them back. Because in a life, you have to just give respect. Because you see me, I never disrespect certain man where make the way for me.
Would you say all of them is an ego problem or
yeah, man. Someone ego because watch this now. You mash up some man now, boy, you know. And this how we mash up some man in England, yeah? Some of the DJs them.
Yeah.
Two of them friends gas him up, you know. Tell him say, yo, you're the baddest thing. This the man there. Nah, you understand what I say? When all you need for just come in as a man, we are going, you understand, take over the thing.
Yeah.
Give your respect to the who you come see and do it and work your way in. But when you come like you want to show out who you come see, you understand?
Yeah,
and then now you don't even know the full 100 of the thing. You understand? And when they see it happen all the while, enough time I see some man book some little sound, yeah? This was some DJ problem. You know, so my first recognition me get proper in England. Them used to have a Sunday night at Chicago. Yeah? Andrew Fresh them run it. It used to name what the Sunday night used to name? A Sunday night used to name I can't remember the Sunday night right now, but Andrew Fresh used to run it. Andrew Fresh was in Jamaica for a British link up in April. And then them come back after the British link up tour.
Yeah.
And a dance keep at Brixton. Him come in like the Thursday and the dance keep the Friday. So but while they were away,
yeah, I will it up.
Yeah. Cause them days Alpha Cartel, let me give you back a look real back. You see that here there, everybody got a British link up. You see me and you to run Red Hat, me and Melon, we decide so we're gonna keep South London link up. You hear me, I say, brother? And we keep the dance and Vibes Cartel run on place them Summer Lake the Road, Shakamoor Land. Yeah? And I dance black. Cause them time who couldn't get a British link up, they still there and want party.
Yeah.
And we, you know, start up something that people come party. So while that British link up was away, me I burn the fire. So when them man they come back now, people tell them say, yo, are you there upon the block and go on wicked?
I'm a wallet.
You understand? And then now Andrew Fresh come at the dance tonight. Come on one Friday night dance and me I play a Shakamoor Land. And them invite me down to a place to Chicago. You understand? On a Sunday. And him give me an early slot. Him said, you have to start from about 1 till 2, which is them time there, people just are coming and dance.
Yeah.
You understand? Me have like an audience about a dozen people.
Yeah.
But that dozen people, let me turn it like in a 500 people.
Yeah.
You understand? You understand? When me done play the way me feel good, by the time I done play the place, feel ram up.
Yeah.
All right.
But most people never hear the juggling, you know. You understand? But when, you understand? Everybody look 12 people out there. Me just make it work for me.
Yeah,
you understand? And then now, me even left the dance tonight without nobody knowing that. Andrew Fresh called me next morning and I said to me, say, yo, why you left the dance, so? Say you don't want no money. I said, me not really, car. Me just so happy. So me get around in the big club. You see me, I say?
So what I know, Squidley, like, there's this thing going around. Everybody's claiming they are London finest. Out of, what you call it, the 6 top guns inside London right now. Everybody's claiming the London finest. Would you consider yourself to be London finest, or
who are the London finest?
who is the London finest, to be honest? Because you must, either you see yourself or see somebody who is above you a bit in the game.
Well, you see that question there?
Yeah.
I'm going to leave it to the public. Them can't tell you who are London finest.
Tell me your opinion, not leave it to the public.
Listen. All right, I'm going to tell you something right now. And this is not show off, and this is not ego, and this is not bossy talk.
Yeah.
You say for top two sound, Crystal Blue Unite.
Yeah.
If I top 5, me count in it. If I top 3, me in it. And if I top 1, me in it.
So you is the London finest.
That means you're London finest.
You understand me? I say, I'm not going to say.
We're circling people, it's circling.
No, hold on.
It's circled.
No, hold on.
Yeah.
You have only, it can't be one man is the finest.
No, one man is London finest because it's the finest.
No.
It don't necessarily mean 2 people.
Well, it don't necessarily mean, but you have other man out there we play them part too.
No, you have a lot of industry players, but who you think over the years until now been hitting the ground running and still being consistent from them time until now? There's a lot of players who play their part in the business, but who you think is the baddest up to date right now? Is it you or is it the other someone who is ahead of you or something?
Respect to every DJ who play music in England, but like me say, from a step to this from 2006 and 2003, me no look back and me no water down, and the crowd can vouch for me. Cause you see what go on, boy, I tell you what go on, boy, if you don't know. A favorite is him.
Yeah, me know that. Yeah,
favorite is him, and that's what mashing up the thing right now. Favorite is him. You understand? But people know say when it come for rock a dance and bust up a dance. Cause me just left Spain in a brother.
Me see over Spain, not good about it.
Brother, listen to me. Right now, they wanna give me the ambassador for Urban Weekender.
Yeah.
Okay.
Squidley Blue, the ambassador. That sound good.
All right, Squidley. So you say favoritism. What you consider favoritism?
Let's wrap it up in about 2 minutes time. 2 minutes.
The man them, the selector them, a friend the promoter them, or because promoter and selector a friend them, I say, boy, listen. What's really going on? Tell us what's going on.
Listen, a lot of them come and dance. They are not really dancehall supporter. Enough of them are haters. They hate on you. You understand? And that's what a dancehall biggest fallout with selector. I'm under seal like you go places and him just feel like say he want water your back down, brother. And that a mash up. You understand? And that. And right now, in the UK right now, favoritism like me tell you say, because a man know say you're better than the brother there. But true him know say he might have, have a grudge against you. Him free to come up front and say, no man. That man is bad, but that man is bad.
Makes sense.
You get to me and say, so all boys don't let me tell you to favoritism. That's what mashing up our UK dancehall right now. Because in Jamaica right now, if you're not burn the fire, a man I say, brother, you're not burn the fire, you know.
And a year time.
This man you burn the fire. England now, they know say that man they not burn the fire. And I be a fool in the shimmer player. But your favoritism. You understand? Them still a try size up the man there with you.
Is it where you're from? Like north, south, east or west? They kind of categorize you in that area.
Well, north, south and east no say. You know, like but I don't know if it's sorry, but right now, may I tell you, it's just favoritism. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna leave it.
We'll
at
leave
that.
it at that.
Just leave it at favoritism.
People
but you understand, Bob Marley never. Well, I know Bob Marley never get crowned till in dead.
Yes.
But anybody who want crown me after me pass and gone to the next life, keep your crown. You understand what I say?
Do it while we're living.
You understand what I say? But big up TGM Radio for having me today.
Yes.
And they don't know, big up to you.
UpnLive
Show. Thanks for having me. And people, do remember.
Social media.
You understand what I say?
How they find you?
Alright, you can go on the Crystal Blue Instagram, Crystal Blue Sound.
Yep.
You can also find us on Twitter @1CrystalBlue. You understand? If you're following me on Instagram, the email address is up there. You can follow me. Also, my personal page is Squidley Crystal Blue Sound, all one word, capital letters. Facebook, Crystal Blue. You understand what I say? Yeah, man. SoundCloud as well. They can listen to all of my dancing on SoundCloud. Because we have something right now, a touchy place.
Yeah.
Touchy place. You understand? SoundCloud hot right now. Me a burn up SoundCloud.
See, so
me not ramp with SoundCloud. You understand? Me hot on SoundCloud right now. So just follow me on SoundCloud, and you don't know, like me I say, TGM Radio, love and respect. The 12th of October, people, for everybody what's watching out there, just come and enjoy yourself. Celebrate a great sound in the business. Something where legendary and I gonna live on forever. Cause that's what they plan forever. It not gonna stop. Big up to my kids them. Big up Tyreek, big up Jordan, my youngest. You understand what I say? Tyreek, my son. You understand? Big up all of my you understand people where, you know, me a groom to come move it to the next level.
Yes.
Big up the whole of my selector them. Big up DJ Max, big up Phantom, big up all our team where make the dream a work. You understand what I say? Because you don't know one man do the work. You understand what I say?
Of course.
Because you don't know DJ Max that they put in him work. Phantom, he may come on regular, but him still in the background and do him thing. You see me I say?
All right.
So big up and respect on TGM Radio, Upnliveshow. You don't know what they are, and you don't know, maximum respect to everybody.
Of
you
course.
See me I say? So big up again, and like I said, the 12th of October, brother, make sure you don't miss it.
Definitely.
You understand me I say?
We'll definitely be
looking
there
for that.
covering some of the event, trying to get some interview with some of the main people inside the building.
You need to talk to Ori as well. So.
And we need to get some other people's story. You know, we have this
It's
uncut
Rory.
version.
It's not Ori, it's Rory. Correction.
All right.
Right,
You know,
right now,
man,
from
you
Reach,
must
I give me
celebrate.
any scene.
All right.
I'm tired.
So you know what the thing go? UpnLiveshow
UpnLive!
will definitely
Live.
UpnLive
Thank you
show
very much,
on the
people.
road.
Of
You
course.
don't know.
We're gonna
Bless
do
up
that
and
time.
respect, and thanks for having me. And
Yeah.
like I said to all our people, just keep supporting dancehall. Dancehall with everything in the UK. So you don't know, we are fight with this and we not stop fight with it. Respect to all of my senior players that we are help keep the game.
We're out.
Big up to everybody.
Time out.
Manners and
I want to
respect.
say big up to the sponsors. I want to say big up to Shush Print,
Prince.
Vaz Print,
Yep.
and the producer of the show, World Mad Producer. And I always want to leave you guys with a positive message. I want to say, love your brother, love your sister.
Yep.
Read a book. They say brain power is the main power. Bless. Peace.
People just keep the love real. Boom.